Whether you think you can or you can, you're right. Failure is simply an opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience and ability. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants so long as it is black. Those who walk with God always reach their destination. You can do anything if you have enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes rise to the stars. If it doesn't add value, it's waste. A poor man is not the one without a cent. A poor man is the one without a dream. Luck and destiny are the excuses of the world's failures. You can take my factories, burn up my buildings, but give me my people and I'll build the business right back again. The object of education is not to fill a man's mind with facts, it is to teach him how to use his mind in thinking. There are no big problems, there are just a lot of little problems. You are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul.